10 Steps to a Successful 401k to Gold IRA Rollover. Planning for retirement today means thinking beyond traditional investments. One popular strategy is moving funds from a 401k into a Gold IRA to help protect against inflation and market uncertainty. Understanding the steps to a successful 401k to Gold IRA rollover can make the process smoother and help you avoid costly mistakes. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. 1. Learn the basics. Start by understanding what a Gold IRA is, including its benefits, risks, and rules. This knowledge helps you make confident decisions. 2. Check your eligibility. Review your current 401k plan to see if rollovers are allowed. Most plans permit this after leaving a job or reaching retirement age. 3. Choose a trusted custodian. Select a reliable Gold IRA custodian with strong reviews, transparent fees, and proper regulatory compliance. 4. Start the rollover process. Contact your 401k provider to request a rollover. They will guide you through the required forms and procedures. 5. Select your metals. Decide which precious metals to include, such as gold or silver. Focus on IRS-approved options with high purity and liquidity. 6. Complete all paperwork. Fill out all documents carefully. Errors can delay the process or create tax issues. 7. Transfer your funds. Work with both your 401k provider and custodian to ensure a direct and smooth transfer, avoiding penalties. 8. Verify your investment. Confirm that your funds have been received and properly allocated into precious metals within your new IRA. 9. Track market performance. Keep an eye on gold prices and market trends to understand how your investment is performing. 10. Review and adjust. Periodically review your portfolio and adjust your strategy to match your retirement goals and risk tolerance. Following these steps to a successful 401k to Gold IRA rollover can help you transition your retirement savings with confidence. With proper planning and ongoing monitoring, a Gold IRA can be a valuable addition to a diversified retirement strategy. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.